In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect third-party apps using data sync in HubSpot. Integrating your favorite tools with HubSpot can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to start by locating the marketplace icon within your HubSpot dashboard. This icon looks like a small storefront and can be found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will take you into the HubSpot app marketplace, where you have access to a plethora of third-party applications that can seamlessly integrate with your HubSpot account. Once you're in the marketplace, it's time to find the app you wish to connect. In the search bar, type in the name of the third-party tool you want to sync with HubSpot. This could be anything from ActiveCampaign to Pipedrive or even Microsoft Outlook contacts. As you type, the search function will dynamically display matching results, helping you locate your app quickly and efficiently. After finding your desired app, you'll notice an option to install it. Click on Install App to start the installation process. Here, HubSpot will guide you through a series of authentication prompts. These prompts are necessary to securely link your third-party account with HubSpot. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need to authorize the connection. This step ensures that your data syncs correctly and securely between HubSpot and the third-party tool. While following the authentication prompts, keep an eye out for any additional permissions the app may request. Granting these permissions is often essential for the app to function fully and integrate seamlessly with your HubSpot account. Once you've successfully authenticated and granted the necessary permissions, your app will be connected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected a third-party app to HubSpot using data sync. This integration will allow you to manage your data more efficiently, saving you time and reducing the potential for errors that might occur if you were to manually transfer information between platforms. Remember, the HubSpot Marketplace is a powerful resource that can enhance the functionality of your HubSpot account. Don't hesitate to explore other applications that could further benefit your workflow. Each integration can provide unique features and capabilities, making it worth the time to discover what's available. If you encounter any issues during the installation or authentication process, HubSpot support resources are there to help. Whether it's through community forums, help articles, or direct support, you can find the assistance you need to ensure your integrations are set up correctly. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to connect third-party apps using data sync in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more of our content for additional tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy integrating.